She's asking, does Islam allow people to use the Misbaha? I don't know the name in Urdu.
I've never heard, never, of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam using this. And I've never heard of any of his khulafa doing this. It was unheard of. So I don't know why, out of perhaps showing off people that they are good, honest people, they think they do it and everybody would think that they are remembering God. While we know that they are not remembering God, sometimes they go on calling others with filthy names and do the same thing on and on and on. This is hypocrisy. And everything which is hypocritic is condemned very strongly. I remember Benazir, the People's Party leader, also held once a Misbaha, tasbih in her hand. And everybody said, look what a pious lady she is. But those who know, they have other opinions. So this is a very dirty thing. It should be condemned strongly. Remember God day and night, but don't count. For in their support, they can only quote one hadith which said about counting the terms La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, etc. But that is the minimum. That's not the maximum. If you do it more than that, why not? And that is why Rasulullah did it much more than that. And he never needed for this, never these beads. Right?